Welcome back to this 108-day Surya Namaskara or Sun Salutations journey. Today is day 101 and today's practice began with rain. It was drizzling when I came out to shoot. For a few moments, I simply stood there feeling the rain, receiving it, enjoying it. And then I began my practice. Because this is also part of sadhana. Not waiting for perfect weather, not waiting for perfect mood, not waiting for perfect conditions, just showing up with sincerity, with gratitude, with devotion. And that brings us beautifully to today's theme, Bhakti in motion. Bhakti is often understood as devotion, but devotion is not only singing, praying, or visiting temples. Devotion is the quality of the heart behind the action. The same movement can be exercise, the same movement can be discipline, and the same movement can become worship. What changes? The inner offering. In Surya Namaskara, we are saluting the sun. But the sun is not only the physical light in the sky. The sun represents life, clarity, warmth, rhythm, vitality, and consciousness. Every inhale becomes a receiving. Every exhale becomes an offering. Every posture becomes a small act of gratitude. And this is very important for busy professionals today. Because many people are constantly doing, achieving, producing, performing. But the heart is missing from the action. When action loses heart, life becomes dry. When work loses meaning, success becomes heavy. When discipline loses devotion, practice becomes mechanical. Bhakti brings the heart back. It reminds us, do not only complete the practice, love the practice. Do not only move the body, offer the movement. Do not only chase transformation, be grateful for the chance to practice at all, even in the rain, especially in the rain, because devotion is not proved when everything is convenient. Devotion is revealed when you still show up with love. In the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna reminds us that even a simple offering, a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water becomes sacred when offered with devotion. So today, this rain itself felt like an offering. The sky offered water, the earth received it, and I offered my practice. This is yoga, not separate from life, but fully inside life. So today's reflection is where in my life I can bring more heart, more gratitude, and more devotion into what I am already doing. Maybe your work, maybe it is your family responsibilities, maybe your health, maybe your spiritual practice, maybe one simple daily action that has become mechanical. Bring bhakti there, bring heart there, bring your presence there. This is day 101 of 108. Let Surya Namaskara become bhakti in motion. Let the rain remind us, when the heart is devoted, every condition becomes part of the practice, and every movement becomes an offering. See you on day 102. Namaste.